Hello friends, today we have a new video on article. It is the second part of articles. See, there are three articles in English, A, N and D. And there are two kinds of articles. One is called the indefinite articles. A and N are called the indefinite articles, and second is definite articles. Definite articles means there are two different pronunciation of the we can call it the or the. Next is important things for articles. There are three things are very important for articles. One is alphabets, second is vowels, and third is consonants. You know there are 26 alphabets in English from A to Z, and there are only 5 vowels in these alphabets. These are A, E, I, O and U, and the remaining alphabets are called the consonants. These are from B to Z, and they are 21 in numbers. Next, number 1, use of A. See the definition of using A. A is used before a singular common noun that begins with a consonant sound. See the examples of using A. The examples are as a book, a car, a doctor, a flower, a game, a mobile, a song, a village, and a temple. All the examples are singular. All are singular, and all are the common nouns, and all the words begin with a consonant sound. Okay, these are the conditions of using A. Next is use of an. See the definition of using an. An is used before a singular common noun that begins with a vowel sound. See the examples of using an. An aeroplane, an engineer, an idea, an officer, an umpire, an airport, an egg, an organ, etc. All the words are, all the examples of using an are the singulars. All are singular words. All are the common nouns, and all the words begin with a vowel sound. There are three conditions of using A and using an. Only two conditions are different. One is consonant sound and vowel sounds are different, but the singular common nouns are the common conditions for using A and an. Next is use of the. See the first rule of using the. The is used before a particular person, animal, place, things, etc. The examples are the teacher, the dog, the temple, the mobile, the ground, the car, the book, etc. The teacher is a particular person, the dog is a particular animal, the temple is a particular place, and the mobile is a the mobile the mobile is a particular thing. And the remaining examples are the ground is a particular place, the car and the book are the particular things. The next rule is using the. The is used before the names of rivers, directions, islands, mountain ranges, seas, oceans, scriptures. Scriptures means holy books, deserts, monuments, magazines, canals, hotels, museums, etc. The examples are as the Nile is the name of the river, the east is the direction, the Andaman Nicobar is an island, the Himalayas are the mountain ranges, the Arabian Sea is the name of the sea, the Pacific Ocean is the ocean, the Bible is a scripture or the holy book, the Sahara is the desert, the Rajghat is a monument, uh, the Filmfare is a magazine, The Suez Canal is a canal. The Taj Hotel is an example of hotel, and the British Museum. These are the examples of using the. The third rule is the is used before the names of English newspapers, musical instruments, express trains, superlative adjectives, group of the countries, families, ordinal numbers, well-known buildings, peoples, whole class of animals, etc. The examples of using the are as the following. The Times of India is the name of the newspaper, English newspaper. The piano is an instrument. The Rajdhani Express is the express train. The richest is the superlative adjective. The USA is the name of the country having the group of many countries. The Bachchans is the family. The first is the ordinal number. The Gateway of India is one of the world well-known buildings in India. The English are the people. It is also called the British. The poor means the poor people, and the dog means the group of animals. All the class of animals are called the dog. The last rule of the is used before the unique things or places in the world. The examples are as the sun, the moon, the sky, the world, the universe, the God, and there are some wonders in this world. The Taj Mahal, the China Wall, the pyramid, the Eiffel Tower, etc. And the Mars and the Jupiter are the examples of the planets. We can use the before the names of all planets in the universe. Next is do not use articles. Do not use articles means it is called the omission of articles. Sometimes articles should not be used before some nouns. See the rule. Mostly articles should not be used before the proper nouns, material nouns, abstract nouns, uncountable nouns, means of transport, different institutions, mills, diseases, continents, lakes, streets, etc. The examples are as John and India are the proper nouns, sugar, wood are the material nouns, courage, goodness are the abstract nouns, air, water and soil are the examples of uncountable nouns, bus, car, truck are the means of transport, school, college, hospital are called the different institutions, lunch, dinner, supper, breakfast, dessert are included in meals, various kinds of meals. Cancer is a disease. Asia and Europe are the continents, name of the continents. And Lake Michigan is an example of lake. And New Street is the example of a street. The last important thing is exceptions of articles. Exceptions of articles. There are some exceptions of articles. I am giving you only the examples of exceptions of article. Number one is a one, a university, a universal, a unity, a utensil, a uniform, a European, a euphemism, etc. These are the exceptions. All the words begin with the vowel sounds, but we have used a before all the words because the words do not have the vowel sound, they have the consonant sound. The next example, another examples are an R, an AR, an ARS, an honor, an honorary, an honorable, etc. All the words begin with the consonant. H is a consonant, but we have used N before all of the words because all the H is silent in all the words and the words pronunciation begin with the vowel sound, so we have used N there. And third number is an MBBS, an NCC, an X-ray, an LLB, an FIR, an HSC, etc. These are the examples of abbreviations found. They do not have the consonant sound, they have the vowel sound, so we have used N before them. And the last is the some countries in the world, we can use the before the names of the name of them. The West Indies, the Netherlands, the Hague, the Lebanon, the Tanzania, the UAE, the USSR, and the UK. These are the countries in the world we can use the before the names of them. Thank you very much.